Prime Minister, we support this mention. Personal vehicles shall be banned in city center. This means limiting cars and motorcycles in busy area and using public transport instead. Right now, too many people use personal vehicles in city center. This causes heavy traffic and air pollution, making cities crowded and uncomfortable. Public transport is often ignored and routes are mostly used by private vehicles owners instead of pedestrian or public transport users. This issue is urgent because the problem is already happening now. If we do nothing, traffic and pollution will get worse and harm people healthy. By limiting personal vehicles, we can make cities cleaner and more comfortable. Banning personal vehicles in city center can reduce traffic and pollution. Fewer vehicles means smoother traffic and less pollution. Routes can be used for public transport, peaks and pedestrians so transportation become more efficient. Cities like London and Singapore have already limited personal vehicles in city center, and it has helped reduce traffic and improve air quality. So, banning personal vehicles in city center is a good and necessary solution, and that is why we support this mention.
The opposition may argue that banning private vehicles will harm mobility and the economy. However, this assumes that private cars improve urban mobility, when in reality, excessive car dependency is what creates congestion. When roads are dominated by private vehicles, traffic becomes inefficient and slows down logistics, emergency service, and economic activity itself. Therefore, the real economic harm comes from car dependency, not from restricting it. Banning private vehicles creates a long-term transformation toward a more efficient urban system. Without private cars dominating city centers, cities will rely more on public transport, walking, and cycling, which use space more efficiently and serve more people. This also changes urban design, making cities built for people rather than cars. Cities like London and several European urban areas that restrict cars experience increased public transport use and more efficient use of public space. This proves that banning private vehicle is not a temporary fix, but a systematic solution to congestion and pollution as explained by the Prime Minister. Therefore, this policy is not merely a transportation policy, it is a redesign of cities to become more efficient, livable, and sustainable. For this reason, we strongly support this motion.